Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to transfer money from PayPal to Jamaica bank account. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to paypal.com, and from here just simply click on log in and just simply provide your email and password and just simply log in into your account. Now guys, once you have done that, just simply go ahead and go to wallet. And from here, just simply click on link a bank. And after that, just simply link your bank account over here. So just simply provide your bank name, your bank code, which is a 9-digit code identifying your bank. And guys, you may contact your bank if you need any help. And after that, just simply provide your account number as well. So it will be a 1 to 16 digit number at the bottom of a check or on a bank statement. And just make sure you have the same name into your bank account. So now once you have linked your bank over here, guys, what you will do now is go to home. And from here, just click on transfer funds. And from here, since I don't have a balance yet, I won't be able to show you. But if you do, just follow these steps that I'm going to show you on the screen. So guys, once you have clicked transfer, after that, just simply click on a transfer to your bank, and from there just simply select your bank account. And guys, this transaction will take up to 3 to 5 business days, and remember that fees may apply. And once you have selected your bank account, just simply click on transfer now, and from there just simply follow the instructions to proceed. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.